It's that time of year you've all been looking forward to. I'd like to introduce you to my new website, where you'll have access to incredible content about online business, premium apps, and anything else related to the computer world. To sign up for the newsletter, go to www.officialoboypapi.com and click the subscribe button. Fill out the required information and smash the submit button, and you'll be kept up to date as soon as I publish new content. Please have fun.
Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name still remains Oboypapi. If today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this. And don't forget to smash on the bell so you can receive notification whenever I drop a new video. I also appreciate if you hit on the like button. Last but not the least, don't forget to drop your comment because it matters to me a lot. I'll be right back.
Hey, what's up guys? So today we're doing something I haven't done on my channel before. I'm about to unbox my new video LED light by Newer. I finally made the decision after a year to put my face on the channel. So very soon I'll be filming my own videos, which is a massive step for me as it took me a while to purchase some of the items that I will need. When it comes to shooting high quality videos, lighting plays a major role in setting the mood and the tone. And since I want you guys to have a feel of a good video looks like the ones of Michael Help and Kojo Sheldons. Anyway, those guys are my favorite Ghanaian YouTubers. Make sure to check them out. So based on my budget, I decided to go for the Newer 2-pack Dimmable USB video light kit. It came in a small box, but honestly I was expecting something big, like a big box. Anyway, I'll go ahead and unbox with you guys, then also share my thoughts about this famous video light kit. So those are their customer service information, which includes their phone numbers, email address, and their website address. Next, we have the two USB panel lights, which is covered nicely and it looks very portable. Now I'll go ahead and remove the brown cover to get access to the mini tripod stand for the LED lights. Everything here came in pairs, so there's 2 mini tripod stand in the box, and also there's 2 pair of this little adapter, which helps you to adjust the LED lights. Here's the manual which will help us to set up and use this amazing video light LED lights. Last but not the least, the color filters that spark creativity. It came in red, green, and blue. So now that we are aware of what is within the box, let's organize and set up the LED light.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm
So we change the colors by changing the color filter, and since it's a USB LED light, you can power it with your charger head, as you can see. The brightness can be adjusted by pressing the up and down buttons, which I think is amazing. Sincerely, I recommend this lighting choice to anyone trying to inspire some creativity. It provides excellent outcome for a lower cost, and this kit costs $59.99, which is equivalent to 481 Ghana cedis. Anyway, if you need some to buy, feel free to get in touch with me and I'll be happy to help you buy and ship to Ghana. This is why I bring the video to an end, and keep checking back for incredible content. I shall take steps to provide you great videos. I'll see you on my next video. Peace.
I know you told your friend tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until